Hey guys, so this is Mike GT and this is my first video. You can see a Nokia Lumia 625. Apparently a new one, a cracked screen, as you can see right there. And today I'm showing you the ringtones on it. Go to settings, go to ringtone, go all the way up. Per, silk, symmetry, mosaic, lattice, gender. Choose that. Bean, groove, bling, glide, hop, flicker, cruise, sunrise, haze, trip, city, glicker, peace, classic, rich, upper breeze, bird box, bouncy bounce, lit, blick, brimful, broken tone, cat, chipper, circles, dewbop, digital thumb, early touch, good times, just eyes, lucky five, Marco, marbles, Ministry of Troy, modern day, Nokia Rubix, Nokia Tone, Australia, pinball, pool, rugby, skate, slow coffee, sweet, warped. Time for the message. Go up. None. Windows message. Windows reminder. Windows voicemail. Windows email. Alert 1. Alert 2. Alert 3. Alert 4. Alert 5. Alert 6. Alert 7. Nokia calendar. Nokia clock. Nokia email. Nokia message. That's pretty much it for the ringtone brief little video of my Nokia Lumia 625. So thanks for watching.